Everyone. My name is Mudassar Tabassum. Yesterday, I posted a post on LinkedIn on conversational analytics. Today, I wanted to give you a hint. I wanted to show you how it works. So let me share my screen and take you there how it works. So let me share my entire screen with you. Here it goes. I'm sharing my screen with you. So let me show you. What you have to do is go to Looker Studio, lookerstudio.com, and sign in with your Looker Studio or Gmail ID. But it's a paid version, Looker Studio Pro. So once you are there, there is a link given Conversational Analytics. You will click here, and here is the magic part starts. What you have to do is these are data sets, my data sets, but what I want to do, I want to connect to a data set. I want to immediately analyze. So what I do is file upload. I'll go here. i'll I have a file here named data. I'll drag and drop this into here, and it will connect with my data. This is uploading, processing, and it will be processed within few seconds. Error. What is an error? U-turn or invalid characters in the file, only UTF. Okay, let me do one thing. File, save as. Here I'll go UTF, CSV UTF, desktop, save. This is saved now. I'll reconnect this data, delete this data, add files. I'll go to desktop again. This is my comma separated UTF file. I'll connect this now. Let's see what happens. Actually, I did not check this. I was connecting with my live data set. So now I have converted that Excel file and this is uploaded. Wow, that's great. Connect. See what actually I am trying to tell you what is conversation. These are all the fields available in my that file you can see. I'll just click apply. This is my data. Now I'll add to conversation. Now what I'm going to do is this is my data and I can ask questions from this data. See, automatically it is giving me how many employees are there for each business travel type, ordered from most to least. What is total monthly income for each department? Which age group? This is what automatically he has made questions for me. What I can do, let's do one thing. I ask these questions. From this data, I have done nothing. I have just connected a file with it, and now I'm going to analyze this. See, just clicked, and this is the answer. See, now what I can do is I can change chart type as well. But what I want to do, open in a report. Here you go. In normal English, you ask a question, you make a chart, you make a report, and it is appearing in this report. Here it is. Now you can edit this, like you can add data labels, show data labels. See, the chart is ready. What it is saying to me, let me make it F11. Travel rarely are 1036 employees, travel frequently 277, non-travel 150. I have to do nothing. I just used normal English language. Okay, let's go back and ask another question. This will tell you actually how this was calculated as well. This is all selected column business travel and employee number. Calculated the count of employee number for each business travel. and created a new column called count, grouped the data by business travel, sorted the data by count in descending order. See, everything is with English language. So simple as that. So let's ask another question. What ask? What question I ask? Here is the data. Let me see. I want to know age group wise total number of employees. Just I want to know what are the total number of employees in each age group category. Let me copy this. I'll go back. I will ask. I want count of EMPL implies from CO, LU, and then column this. I want count of implies from column age group by each group SORT sorted from largest to smallest value. Let's see what happens. This is simple smallest. Simple English, that what you want to see from your data. You don't have to work hard to understand the formulas, pivot tables, what I see. This is just done. This is sorted by number of employees. I can edit this query as well. How? There is an option this. I can sorted from largest to sorted by. I can change this sorted by age group category. See, I will update this. This will work with C 18 to 25, 26 to 30. This is all automatic with normal English language. You can get whatever you want. This is called conversational, and this is all machine learning, artificial intelligence. You getting response from the system that is converting your all questions into answers. So let me go again and let me try one more thing. I want to calculate income, monthly income. Here it is. Copy. I go. I write here again. I want to, let me change this. I want to calculate total income of employee from by group wise. So I'll change it. I've changed the question. What I'm trying to do is I want to calculate total income of employees from column age group by each group sorted by each group category. Let's update this and see the required analytics are done or not. System error. Looker Studio has encountered a problem later. Okay, let me ask again. I want to sum monthly income by age group. Let's see what happens. See, you get it. And you go into open report. Here you go. You get the report. And chart is ready for you. This is all the data as well. You select this, you go there, and you just show data labels. Here you go. This is, see what he has done. Actually, he has sorted and he has automatically applied a formula sum into monthly income. So this is all conversational analytics. You can ask any question from your data in normal English language. So I just wanted to show a demo of this presentation. This is Looker Studio and you can save and share it with anyone. When you save it, you name it, it is asking connected to file, data, acknowledge, and save. See, now this is saved. You can save it with any name, and now you have many options. Invite people to view, you can invite people. You can add here email addresses, one part. You can make them editor, viewer, whatever. You can do these all options. But now, even you can schedule, you can schedule delivery. It will automatically be circulated to anyone you want. Similarly, you can send to Google Chat. You can apply filters as well. Whatever you want, you can do. So, have you ever been to this, like you have always used uh, Excel for analytics and all that stuff? But right now, what I have shared with you, this is just Google launched few days back conversational analytics, and I am going to implement this with my team all over in Beaconos, hopefully. So this is how the AI and BI is getting embedded into each other, and you can get analytics done from this. Thank you so much. This was just a demo or conversational analytics that can you can get anything done from the Looker Studio using conversational analytics. And this is a brilliant move by actually Google. And even this, if this is a chart, you can use Gemini to generate presentation with a click. Let me generate slide from all visuals. This is only one visual. All visuals, what it will do, I need to actually explain to management or whatever, whoever asked me to make a presentation. See what will happen. Slide created. You just typed English, then you made a chart, analytics, then you made making a presentation. Here is a presentation, and see what has happened. It has simply presented you the 36 to 45 age group drives the largest share of total monthly income, representing 34.78%, that is 3.32 million. See, this is, you don't have to even interpret what is the chart saying. It